Hey there, foodies! Today we're going to show you how to make the perfect grilled steak. Whether you're a seasoned griller or a newbie, this recipe will have you cooking like a pro. So, the first step is to choose a good quality piece of steak. Look for something that's nicely marbled with fat and has a good thickness to it. Next, season your steak generously with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. This will bring out the natural flavors of the meat. And now it's time to heat up the grill. Make sure it's nice and hot before you start cooking. You want to hear that sizzle when you place the steak on the grill. Now, it's important to resist the temptation to flip the steak too early. Let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on one side before flipping it over. And don't forget to use tongs instead of a fork, to avoid puncturing the meat and letting all those precious juices escape. Now, if you like your steak rare, it should take about 8 to 10 minutes in total. For medium, about 10 to 12 minutes, and for well done, 12 to 15 minutes. But the best way to tell if your steak is done is by using a meat thermometer. For rare, the internal temperature should be around 120 F. For medium, 140 F, and for well done, 160 F. And there you have it, the perfect grilled steak. Let it rest for a few minutes before slicing into it to allow those juices to redistribute. Serve it up with your favorite sides, and you've got yourself a meal that's sure to impress. Thanks for tuning in, and happy grilling!